Baltimore homeowners know that comfort and peace at home are priceless. Whether you live in a bustling neighborhood near downtown, a lively suburban area, or a quiet residential street, the quality of your windows plays a crucial role in maintaining a comfortable, quiet indoor environment. New replacement windows offer modern features that dramatically improve both comfort and noise control, two of the biggest concerns for Baltimore households today. Here's how upgrading your windows can transform your home into a quieter, more comfortable place to live. Better insulation keeps your home comfortable year-round. Baltimore's climate brings warm, humid summers and chilly winters, which can make it difficult to keep your home at a comfortable temperature without overworking your HVAC system. Older windows often allow too much heat transfer because of outdated glass, thin frames, or failing seals. New energy-efficient windows solve these problems through double or triple pane insulated glass. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes. Low-E glass coatings that deflect heat and UV rays. High-quality weather stripping that seals out drafts. These features help regulate indoor temperatures by reducing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. The result? Your home stays more comfortable with less effort from your heating and cooling systems, saving you money while improving your daily living environment. Reduced drafts and hot spots improve indoor comfort. Old or poorly installed windows often develop gaps and leaks over time. Baltimore homeowners may notice cold drafts near windows in the winter or warmer areas during summer afternoons. These issues can make certain rooms uncomfortable or require you to constantly adjust your thermostat. Modern replacement windows provide tight, secure seals, improved air barriers, better frame construction, enhanced resistance to moisture and air infiltration. By eliminating drafts and uneven room temperatures, new windows help every part of your home feel consistently comfortable. Superior noise reduction for a quieter home. Baltimore is full of vibrant neighborhoods, but that also means you may hear street traffic, construction, sirens, or neighborhood activity throughout the day. Upgrading your windows can dramatically reduce unwanted noise. Noise-reducing features include thicker glass or laminated glass options, multiple insulated panes, tightly sealed frames, sound-dampening spacers. These features work together to block external noise and create a more peaceful indoor environment. Bedrooms, nurseries, home offices, and living rooms especially benefit from quieter surroundings. For Baltimore homeowners living near busy areas like Canton, Federal Hill, or downtown, noise reduction can greatly improve overall home satisfaction. Better humidity control for increased comfort. Baltimore's humid summers can make indoor air feel sticky or uncomfortable. Old windows with poor seals allow moisture to seep into your home, contributing to condensation, mold, and uncomfortable indoor humidity levels. New, well-insulated windows prevent outside humidity from entering. Reduce condensation on glass. Protect your home from moisture buildup. Help your HVAC system maintain balanced indoor humidity. This creates a healthier, more comfortable environment year-round. Enhanced natural light without losing energy efficiency. New windows also improve comfort by maximizing natural light while minimizing heat and UV exposure. Low-E coatings allow sunlight to brighten your home without overheating your living spaces. Benefits include better daytime lighting, reduced reliance on artificial lights, protection against UV fading on furniture and flooring, more enjoyable indoor spaces. You get the comfort of natural daylight without sacrificing temperature control. A long-term investment in comfort and home value. New windows not only improve your day-to-day living, they also add value to your property. Baltimore buyers appreciate homes with modern, energy-efficient features and reduced noise transfer. High-quality replacement windows make your home more attractive on the market and offer long-term savings through lower utility bills. Upgrade your Baltimore home with comfort-boosting windows. New windows are one of the most effective ways to enhance comfort and reduce noise in Baltimore homes. With better insulation, tighter seals, advanced glass technology, and improved sound control, today's replacement windows deliver a quiet, energy-efficient, and enjoyable living environment. If you're ready to experience a more peaceful and comfortable home, upgrading your windows is a smart and long-lasting investment.